Open your browser and type in www.zelda.com. I'll leave a link in the description for you to use. This is the Zelda interface. Click on Edit Document, and it will say, Edit Document. It is free. Then, a new open page instructing you to upload PDF documents will appear. Click on it. Then look for your document on your computer, where you saved it, or in your cloud storage. As you can see, we have uploaded the document. Just in case you want to know how to create a document like this in Canva, check out our video on how to create a digital planner in Canva free. I have left a link to the video in the description. I love this platform because it zooms in on your document by default, allowing you to edit easily. Next, go to the top bar's form. You can see where my mouse is pointing. Go to the form. Click the drop-down. It depends on what you want to work on first. For me, I want to work on the single-line text. Here, I will select text from the Forms dialog box. Click on the single-line text. Then scroll up to where you want to fill in. The document displays single lines in front of the checkboxes. Click on the first line to add a text box. The beauty of this is that you can easily edit these text boxes. By clicking on them, you can see what I'm doing. Drag it on until it matches the line you're trying to fill. Another shortcut I discovered is that you can click on the text box you just created, and it will give you several commands, one of which is a duplicate command. Click the duplicate command and move your cursor to the next field to create a text box. Take your time to duplicate and fill all the text boxes in the stack. You can scroll up. Let me complete this stack for you so that you can do the rest. Just duplicate and select. If the box size you specified in your line is incorrect, the resize handles allow you to resize upwards or downwards. You can see what I am doing. Alright. Copy the last one. We have now completed the single line text. I want to leave this one for you to handle. Let me continue one more time. Let me copy again. Create a text box for this instance. Yeah, I am happy with this. Okay, so I want to tackle the next task. Check boxes. You can find the checkbox here. These small rectangular boxes are at the edge of each stack of horizontal lines. This is the section where you will review and mark each of your individual text lines. Let's go back to form again. This time around, instead of picking single-line text, let's pick the checkbox. It now gives me a preview of the checkbox's size. You'll get it. Please click on the first one. The same way we can copy from the first one to the last. I will complete this set for you. Then, you will complete the remaining tasks independently. Click on Copy. I am trying to line it up with the size of the box. Thus, there is no overlap. The last one is now. Okay. Let me create the multiline text. In the form drop-down at the top bar, select Multiline. Scroll down your document and create a field for multiples like this. Okay, I think I am happy with this. Remember, you put a single line here. This place requires a single line. Yes, there is supposed to be. A message appears before the multiline, so I'll leave that and the remaining designs for you to deal with. Oh, there is something very important. I think you will need it. If you are selling on Etsy and other platforms, adding a link to your design will provide easy access for your customers to reach you through your social handles, blog, website, mail, or phone contact. Let me show you how to add a link to your document. Go to the top bar, and you will see the link button. You can see where my mouse is pointing. It says to include links. With this, you can add links to your document. Go to a convenient place in your document and add a link. For this example, I want to add it at the bottom of our footer text, which says, "Good luck is the result of good planning." Let's add a single text box for our link. Click on the box and type where you want to redirect your customers. In my case, I will use my blog address, https://vinepeaks.com. Next, click on the Add link and draw a box around your text. A dialog box appears, prompting you to choose the link you desire to add. Type in the box provided like this, and there you have it. Next, click on Apply Changes. To save your work to your computer, click on Download. If you have gotten value so far from this video, please subscribe and like so YouTube can show it to others as well. Thanks for watching.